Understanding the meaning of sacred forest. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating phrase in the English language, sacred forest. This phrase is not just a literal term, but it carries rich cultural and spiritual meanings. Let's dive into the depths of this phrase and understand what makes a forest sacred. A sacred forest literally refers to a forest area that is regarded with great respect and reverence. It's seen as a special, often untouched or preserved part of nature. In many cultures, these forests are believed to be homes to gods, spirits, or significant ancestral beings. In this section, we'll explore how different cultures view sacred forests. For instance, in some Asian cultures, sacred forests are sites for religious ceremonies and are closely linked to the community's spiritual beliefs. In contrast, Native American traditions might view these forests as crucial parts of their creation stories and as essential elements of their connection to nature. Sacred forests also play a crucial role in environmental conservation. These forests are often biodiversity hotspots and act as natural sanctuaries for various species of flora and fauna. By understanding the environmental importance of these forests, we gain insight into why preserving them is vital for ecological balance. In the modern context, the term sacred forest can extend beyond its traditional meanings. It can symbolize any natural space that individuals or communities hold dear and strive to protect. This reflects a growing global consciousness about the importance of preserving nature. I hope this video has given you a deeper understanding of the phrase, sacred forest, and its significance across different cultures and in environmental conservation. Remember, language is not just about words, but the stories and meanings they carry. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next language adventure.